Hey guys, Babatunde Omotao here. I'm super excited for today's video because today's video will be about the latest Oraimo Smart Clipper, and this is the Oraimo Smart Clipper 2. Yes, this is better than the Oraimo Smart Clipper 1 that we have some couple of months ago. This is better in all aspect. Let me just tell you some of the features that this guy comes with. It comes with longer battery life. It comes with a LED display, so you know the percentage of your battery charges left on your clipper. It comes with a super powerful motor and some other features like that I can't wait to unbox this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 with you. So if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel is much appreciated, as I do a lot of reviews on smartwatches, AirPods, and sometimes smartphones. So if that really interests you, please consider subscribing to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell by the side so that I can get notified once I post a useful video like this one. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Alright, so let's start with the price. The price of this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 goes for 12,250 naira here in Nigeria, which is equivalent to about $18 as of the time of posting this video. You can get it cheaper by using the discount code right on the screen or down in the description box, and I'll be updating that from time to time. I wish I can barb my hair by myself, but I can't do that, so I have to take it to a barber shop. So let's start with the unboxing and what is inside the box and every other thing. Then I will take it to my barber and I'm going to have my hair cut with this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2. And I'll ask my barber some things about the clipper. He knows a lot about clipper. So let's continue with the video. All right guys, so we have here the Oraimo new clipper, which is the Oraimo Smart Clipper 2, which you can see here. Here is a cordless hair clipper from Oraimo that says powerful and professional with 4 guided combs, and by the side we have the super motor professional precision design for all, long battery life, smart digital display, comfort grip handle, and so on and so forth. And by the other side, you are going to see keep exploring with Oraimo, sold in 50 country plus, trust by 200 millions plus users and stuff like that. And at the back is just plain with the specifications of the Oraimo Smart Clipper 2. Okay, you have the authentication center here, which you can scratch and validate it, and you also have 365 days warranty for you to get covered, so you have nothing to lose in case anything go wrong, which is rare with Oraimo products. So you are going to get what you paid for. Now I'll be unboxing this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2, so let's unbox it. As you can see, it looks very beautiful outside, and this doesn't come sealed, but it's okay. Wow, there's nothing else inside the back, so let's just keep this aside. And now we have this right inside the box. You can see this looks a bit heavy. Wow. Okay, let's just keep this aside. We'll come back to that. Let's see what's inside the box. What else? All right, we have some guided combs here. Let me quickly open this up. All right, so we have 4 steps. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 4 steps, or 4 guided combs as some of my people call it. All right, so we have the next one is the clipper oil. Okay, just a small quantity. And the next is the welcome guide or the user manual, which is a good one, very small, and you can just see how you are going to use it, package content and instruction on how to use it and charge the clipper. So the next thing you are going to find in the box is the clipper brush, just to clean it up when you are done with it, just to clean it up. As you can see, very small but useful. And lastly, the Type-C charging cord. Okay, this is very strong and I really like it. It's long, very long, as you can see, Oraimo really did a great job on this one. Thank you very much, Oraimo. So coming back to the clipper itself, which is here inside the plastic. Wow, this looks beautiful. It comes with a protective plastic on the blade side. So let's just keep this aside. So this is how it looks like, if you want to see. Okay. And down here you can see the charging port, which is type C. And at the back here you can see the Oraimo and the product model, input voltage, and other things like that with certifications. Let's just switch this guy on. Let's see how it looks like. Very sharp, very sharp. Let's switch it on. This is not really noisy, it's a bit quiet. And this is the gear. That's about 3. I hope you guys can hear this well. 3. So I really like it that it has this power display to show you the level of the charge in it, so you don't have to be guessing is it high or low. And this is just one beautiful piece from Oraimo. This looks all round metallic, as I've said earlier, and I can't wait to just try it out. First thing first, you have to charge it up before the first time use. Okay, so I've not charged it up, I'm just opening it just for you guys to see what you are going to get if you are getting one right now. And for those that want to see how the blades look like, is it very good, is it sharp, this is just it, a closer look on the blade. Okay, as you can see, if there's any portion you want me to check for you specifically, just let me know down in the comment section and I will do that for you. But being my first time of reviewing clipper on this channel, sure I'm not going to get it perfect, but I will try my possible best just for you guys to know what you are going to get. And I will be trying out this guy today or next, and I just want to see how it feels using this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 to barb the hair. So let's go there.
Now why I know they like to barb my hair with this, just barb small person go just fine like angel. I know go barb my hair again. I know I make a fine. Why do you go walk? Now why I know they like to barb my hair with this, just barb small person go just fine like angel. I know go barb my hair again. I know I make a fine. Why do you go walk?
Now I'm back. As you can see, I'm looking handsome this time around, not like before that I was looking like a bushman. Just small haircut now, person don't find. All right, this is done by Oraimo Smart Clipper 2. All thanks to Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 for giving me a very nice shape and cut. In fact, I used this for the shaping. I didn't use a trimmer, though I had the trimmer. I didn't use a trimmer. My barber was able to use this for shaping and also cutting my hair. As you can see, I barb my hair and it looks nice on me. That being said, there are some things that he told me about this clipper. He made an adjustment to the blade side. He told me, I think you can see it here, guys. Okay, he told me that he has to put this paper to adjust it a bit so that the blade can be aligned to the other side. He just told me that, and I said okay, no problem. So he opened it a bit and adjusted it, and that was it. Apart from that, there's nothing else he did to the clipper that made it cut. He just go and barb and everything. The thing just do bang, and then nice. Number 2, this does not overheat. This is just at a normal temperature of a clipper, the expected temperature of a clipper. He told me that it is very good, and He told me that having a lead is a very big plus, which I told you guys also. Now, when it comes to the lead side, let me switch it on to show you the percentage left. As you can see, that is 84% left. That is, I used about 16% for barbing my hair. So if I'm to calculate, that means it's going to go about 6 times before this guy will need to be charged up. Let's say 6 times, okay? That is 6.2 something. 6 times, yeah, before I will need to charge up, which is a very good one. I don't have to be rushing to the power supply and start plugging it in and out, you know. And I really like that. He told me everything about it is close to perfection, and it is just a very good clipper to buy. He even asked me for the price and every other thing, which I told him, and he said it is a very good clipper to buy. Maybe a month or two, I'll do a long-term review of this Oraimo Smart Clipper 2 and possibly the Oraimo Smart Clipper 1 and every other trimmer that I have. With that being said, if you want to buy this clipper, please go down there. You are going to see the link to discount code, and you also see the discount code there. I remember Batunde Omotayo. I don't find small. Thank you, Oraimo. Peace.